Hello, everybody. We're doing the standard algorithm for long division. We're going to try 465 divided by 5. So follow along on a piece of paper or grab these slides and you can fill in the boxes with me. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So first we divide, then multiply, then subtract, and then we bring down. So for divide, we're taking this first digit, which is a 4, and we're doing 4 divided by 5. Well, unfortunately, you cannot fit 5 into 4. Like if I had 4 candy bars and I was trying to put them into 5 bags, that wouldn't work. This number is too small. So instead, we have to take this whole number here, 46 divided by 5. So if you know your times tables, that helps a ton. 5 times will get you close to 46. Okay, so another thing I like to do is skip count my 5s and see how close to 46 you can get before you go over. So that is my favorite way to do this. So I went over. So I'm going to take whatever the closest was, which was 45. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 can fit into 46 9 times, because if you go 10 times, you went too far. Another thing you could do is you could make, 46 tally marks divided by 5. You could look at a multiplication chart. What you're trying to see is how many times can you multiply 5 to get close to 46, but stay under 46. All right, next step is to multiply. So you're going to take that last thing that you touched, which is the 9, multiply it by that 5. 9 times 5 is 45, and we know that because we were just looking at it up here. That's as close as we could get. Since that's as close as we got to 46 without going over, that means there's something left over that we need to carry on to the next round, and that's why you subtract, because you subtract to find leftovers. So we are going to do 46 minus 45, which is 1. That 1 is really small. You can't really work with it, but you do have to keep it. So what we're going to do is just bring down the next digit so you have something to work with. So that's our next step. Bring down. There's only one thing left to bring down because we already used the 4 and the 6. So you're going to bring down the 5. And now we have 15 left over. So next step is to divide. And we're saying how many times does 5 fit into 15? Or what is 15 divided by 5? Or how many times can you skip count 5 in order to hit or get close to 15 without going over? So look up here, 5, 10, 15, 3 times. So 5 goes into 15 3 times. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Next step is to multiply the last thing we touched, which is this 3 with the same 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. And then we're just trying to see if there's anything left over. That's why we subtract. So 15 minus 15 is 0, which means there's nothing left over. There's no remainder. That means the number 465 can truly be divided into 5. So if I had 465 marshmallows and I had 5 cups of hot chocolate, I could put exactly 93 marshmallows into each cup. That sounds amazing. And there wouldn't be one cup that had more or like one marshmallow left over. It divides perfectly. If you want to check this, which a lot of teachers highly recommend, you would do 93 times 5. And if you multiply 93 times 5, it will equal 465 exactly. So this is the standard algorithm. I hope it's helpful for you. Definitely check out the rest of the videos if you want to get to practice along with us. Whether you have these slides or you have your whiteboard with you, you can still follow along and get a lot of really great practice. And if you want to get this slideshow or the worksheets with these colored boxes, click on the link below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.